subscribers, thank you for always. If this is your first time here, please do click on the subscribe button, as you wouldn't want to miss out on all the valuable content I've got to share. You're welcome to join the family. Stay tuned. So guys, today I want to teach us how to write a very catchy bio on your Upwork profile. Short, catchy and simple that will make employers to cite you. Okay, so first let me go to my own profile and show you what my bio looks like. Of course, this bio was something I inputted since I entered Upwork. So this is where you to find your bio. Like I said in my previous videos, this pencil sign means to edit. So when you want to edit this bio, you just go here. But for now, we just want to read it and see what's there and how it can be better. So I wrote, I'm a result-driven individual with a proven track record of offering customer service, problem solving and troubleshooting, project management, producing quality outcomes through dynamic leadership and motivational techniques. Also very target-driven, with a record of academic success, eager to add value to a quality-focused team, while continuing certifications and learnings that will help me be better at it. I have experience in some e-commerce tools such as HubSpot, Google Suits, email marketing, Zendesk, Zapier, Trello, etc. I am passionate about service delivery, as my ultimate goal and satisfaction is to see that customers and clients are satisfied at each point in time of whatever transaction they have done with me. I carry out my duties with optimum accuracy and ensure to deliver on or before deadlines. I give my best at all I do and add excellent value to my work team. I'm a freelancer who is open for long hours of work, such as 40 hours and above, and ever ready to deliver. I am best suited for jobs that align with my experiences and skill. I am as well looking for roles that provide opportunity for high levels of responsibility. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. As regards your job offers, feel free to reach out to me. Now, this my bio is okay, but I feel it's too long. But of course, it's fine. So you can also write something like this, or you can make it just short and straight to the point. But there are things to point out for: a short description of who you are, the service you offer, skills you have experience in, what you can do for your clients, and then let your client know you'll be looking forward to hearing from them. It's just as simple as that. Okay, so I actually think I wrote a lot of unnecessary things here, like I am a freelancer who is open for this. They know this already. Of course, this is a freelancer site, so I don't need to repeat that. I carry out my duty with this. I think I wrote something like that here, result driven and all that. So I actually think all these paragraphs are unnecessary. Okay, so we're going to rewrite this. We're going to rewrite this profile. So you see how you can just keep it short and straight to the point. Nobody has time to be reading long epistles these days on the internet. So I'm just going to edit this and write things that are necessary. Okay, I'm a result-driven individual with a proven track record of offering customer service, problem solving and troubleshooting. So I might just want to add lead generation here and general virtual assistance. So this is a brief summary of who I am and the services I offer. Okay, so all these other things, I don't think they are very necessary. Just going to delete them. So you also want to talk about who you are and what you can do for the company. This is what this one is talking about. So you can say, I am eager to add value to a quality focused team. No, this why continuing a certification is not really necessary. I am eager to add value to a quality focused team and ever ready to learn anything that will help me be better at my job. So they want to know if you are open to learning. Then yes, you can leave this one. I have experience in some e-commerce tools such as this, and this. So all these I am passionate about. Service delivery is already in that result oriented, so I don't really think it's necessary. So I'm just going to delete this. I carry out my duty with optimum accuracy and ensure to deliver before deadlines. This one is not necessary. You can actually write all these ones in your proposal. I'll show you how to do that. This I am a freelancer who is ready to this is not really necessary. So you can just so now you state what you are doing. So I am looking for roles. That's why are you here? I'm looking for roles that will provide me that will provide me with opportunities for higher levels of responsibility. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you as regards the job offers. Feel free to reach out to me. Yeah, I shouldn't be too professional, but then you've made your point straight to the point. So like, this is a very perfect bio for Upwork. Now don't go and copy everything I've written verbatim, okay? Play around words and use your own English and be original, and then just leave it there so that whoever visits your profile have seen everything they need to know about you from this. So thank you for watching, guys. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, please do so right now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.